Hey guys, this is Raj from Unboxing Space, and today we are going to discuss best free productivity applications for your Mac. If you are a student, employee, content creator, or a business person, your work is going to become more easier than before. So these applications are available on App Store as well as on Google. So without any wasting time, let's get into it. Our first application is Notion. Notion is one of the most popular and flexible tools that's all in one productivity solution, and it's simply one of the best tools I have ever used. This is how I use my Notion. I make all my lesson plans here. Here are the chapter names, here are the links, lesson date, status, type and category. This is same for all the subjects. You can take notes. You can also make your to-do lists, a lot of things. You can also make task lists and budget. If you are a student or you are paying rent, whatever you are doing, whatever expenses you are doing, you can manage here. And if you are a content creator, you can make like this kind of things, and you can write blog over here and you can directly copy paste to your website. So this is how I use. Moving to the next application is OneNote. OneNote is the very own digital notebook. Whether you have a million ideas, a million things to do, a million things to remember, OneNote is perfect for capturing pretty much everything. With OneNote you can type notes or record audio at your laptop or PC. And if you are an iPad user, you can sync or use the application on iPad and both on or your laptop, and you can write your notes on your tablet, and you can sync with this same using account you will get here also. So this is the very best application for students who wants to take digitally notes. This is how my OneNote looks like. So basically I made the notebooks here. These are the notebooks. If you click here, you will get the subject wise pages here, and these are the chapter names. You can easily take notes like this, and you can take in the format of PDF, and you can print it. You can share the link with your friends if you are doing the group studies. So this is the best application for students, must use it, and that's for also free. Going to the next application is Rectangle. Rectangle is a window management app which is the best and free alternate of Magnet. Basically Magnet is the paid application for managing the windows. So these are the basically shortcuts for managing your window. So like this basically you can manage your windows. You can do multitasking, you can take notes side by side. If you are searching something, then basically you can do like this. You can see here and you can take notes here. So this is the best and free application for making multitasking easy and a lot productive application. So moving to the third application, Canva is the graphic designing platform used to create social media graphics, presentation, posters, documents, and other visual content. This app includes templates for users to use. The platform is free to use and offers paid subscription like Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality. So if you are a student or a startup, if you have a startup, or if you're skilled, or if you have the hobby of graphic designing, then this is the best application. Basically you can create a lot of things here. You can create a YouTube thumbnails here. You can make your own resume. certificates, Instagram posts, presentation, YouTube channel art, posters, logo, video, letterheads, a lot of things you can do here. And this is also for free, but they also provide the paid option for there. So if you want to go with the paid, you can go, and the work is going awesome with free version also. This is also a must productive application for the content creator. Going to the next application, AdGuard. AdGuard is the Safari extension, the basically extension for Safari, and it's also available for Chrome and other browsers which support extensions. This extension prevent you from the all kind of pop-ups and blocks all the ads which are coming while you are searching. Moving to the next application, Grammarly. Grammarly is the free online grammar and spelling checker. Claims to make sure everything you type is clear, effective and mistake free. So basically here you get what to change. It starts suggesting you to change all the things. This is the mistake, so now here is the change I made. This type of changes you can make in your article. If you make a lot of spelling mistakes and there is any sort of grammar problem, then you can use this. And this is also available for the Chrome extension and Safari extension. Last but not the least, bandwidth. Bandwidth Plus is the data monitoring which tells you about your data usage. So if you have the limited the data usage, then basically you can see your daily usage of your data and you can manage your data. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. If you like the content, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more these kind of videos. Thank you.